डेंसिटी डेंसिटी और मास डेंसिटी, this is the rule. It is defined as of the mass of the fluid to its volume. Its unit is kg per meter cube. It is defined as the ratio of the mass of the fluid to its volume. Its unit is kg per meter cube. इसका जो यूनिट होता है वो kg per meter cube होता है. And its dimension is ml to the power minus 3. क्योंकि kg का होता है क्या होता है m, मास है, दिस इज़ द मास. एंड l मीटर क्यूब, दिस इज़ द लेंथ. लेंथ मीन्स l और पर है तो इसीलिए ये -3 हो जाएगा. दिस इज़ द रो. रो इज़ डिनोटेड टू डेंसिटी और मास डेंसिटी. व्हेन टाइम इज इंक्रीज्ड देन रो इट्स विल डिक्रीज. देन pressure, it depends on two factors. First factor is temperature, then second factor is pressure. If the pressure will increase then the rho will decrease. Then our next point is specific weight or weight density. It is denoted by W, small w. It is defined as the ratio of weight of the fluid to its volume. It means it is the ratio. ये जो रेशियो होता है वेट ऑफ फ्लूइड का, जो फ्लूइड का जो वेट होगा और उसके वॉल्यूम के रेशियो, यानी उसका जो वॉल्यूम होगा उस दोनों के बटा को कहा जाएगा. देन इट मीन्स फ्लूइड रेशियो मीन्स इट्स यूनिट इज न्यूटन पर मीटर क्यूब. दिस मीन न्यूटन मीन्स फोर्स, मीटर क्यूब मीन्स मीटर क्यूब यानी वॉल्यूम. न्यूटन means kg per meter square into second square. It means its dimension is ml to the power minus 2 into t. Then its unit is Newton per meter cube. Its dimension formula is ml square ml to the power minus 2 t to the power minus 2 हो जाएगा. W इज इक्वल्स टू रो जी. W इज इक्वल्स टू हो जाएगा, जो हो जाएगा रो और जी हो जाएगा. रो मीन्स रो इट्स डिपेंड्स ऑन टू फैक्टर. टेम्परेचर विल इंक्रीज देन इट्स रो विल डिक्रीज. इट्स इफ प्रेशर विल इंक्रीज then rho will also increase. So W is depending this factor. This also rho for S2 rho into G और rho for S2O के लिए हो जाता है मेरा 1000. दिस इज द 1000 और g इज इक्वल्स टू हो जाएगा मेरा g का मान जो होगा 9.81. सो इफ I multiplied then its value is this. specific weight is depends upon three factors. First factor is temperature, then and pressure, and third is that is Z, because if the rho up depends upon two factor. If temperature will increase, if temperature will increase, then rho will decrease. If temperature will increase, then rho will decrease. If the pressure will increase, then rho will also increase. So its factor, if rho will increase, then W will, if rho will increase, then W will also increase. And G is constant. G is the value of G is equals to 9.81. This is constant. This is not vary. This is constant term. This is constant. G is constant. This is constant. Then our next point is specific gravity or relative density. It is denoted by S. It is denoted by S, fluid, standard fluid. It can also be defined as the ratio of specific weight of fluid to the specific weight of the standard fluid. Its unit is less or dimensionless. Then compressibility factor. This is compressibility factor. It is denoted by beta. This is the beta, the reciprocal of modulus yani K, bulk. This is the bulk modulus. It is denoted by K, the ratio of inverse of K. This is the bulk modulus. 1 by K is known as the compressibility factor, or compressibility factor means beta. This is the beta. Beta is equals to 1 by K.